Alright.
I'm sweaty already, so.
Oh, what are we cooking today?
We're gonna make Jello!
Oh, shit. Well, where is the Jello?
I covered it.
Over here? Okay. Oh, I see it. It's a good thing I'm falling.
Can you reach it?
Maybe. Maybe you should get taller.
Get this Jello.
Okay.
Get more than orange. Get more than orange. Get the blue one too.
I want the blue.
You want purple?
Yeah, he's nasty.
Well, we had to make glue for Brendan because he hurt his arm.
Oh, yeah. Anyways, we're making grape drink Jello. So how do we make this shit? We have to add boiling water. Why didn't we do this before? Well, where's your pans? Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
We gotta drop it low. And oh my God, Terry, don't die.
I have socks on and I should have taken them off.
What was there?
Get the smaller pan. That pan's so fucking huge. Ah! There's two.
We're live. So which one? Smaller?
Yeah, the smaller one. I don't think we have to boil that much. Look at your like. Wait, how much water do we have to boil?
As much as we want.
No, there's instructions for a reason. I like touching your abs.
That's okay. Add boiling water.
This is 1 cup.
Oh, okay, so it's 1 cup. Reading. See what it does for you.
Well, that's why I have glasses.
Wait,
That's why I have glasses.
Where's your measuring cup? You don't think 1/3 a cup is a cup, right? Hi, yeah. So, picture?
No, we're taping.
Oh, okay.
Look at the picture after when we're done sweaty.
So grape or orange?
Yeah, I don't think you put it in there. Read the instructions before you start throwing things together.
It has to boil first. So what are we gonna do till it boils?
Wait.
Dora.
Dance to the music.
Read the instructions so we know what to do next.
Stir for 2 minutes until completely dissolved.
Is it boiled?
After it's boiled.
Oh. Well, we have to get cold water too. How much cold water
Stir
do we
in
need?
cold water.
We need 1 cup of cold water. Let's get 1 cup of cold water.
Well, you don't put the cold water in yet until that's done boiling, and then you stir it.
Into
And
a
then-
bowl, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, you make Jello all the time. She should do this. We need to get the bowl first.
Oh yeah, that'd be smart. What's the bowl?
I think you can get it. I don't want to use this stuff.
Okay.
There's
yeah.
bowls on the other side. There are bowls on the other side. Oh my God.
Don't die, please.
See, there's bowls right there.
Oh my God, my arm. Okay.
In my kitchen, everything is stacked.
Oh, Tara, I feel so bad for your boobs. Okay, big or small?
The
Big.
bigger one? Yeah. Don't feel bad. Like I'm touching his junk. So I'm tagging my hands up here. I don't want to touch your junk, Jerry. You're my friend, not my lover.
Stir in cold water. 4 hours until firm.
4 hours?
4 hours. My back's gonna break.
No. You refrigerate for 4 hours.
Yeah. For 4 hours.
Well, you're not going to stay like that for 4 hours.
Yeah, I know. My back's gonna kill me.
You should take a picture of Jeremy in pain.
Wait.
Let's do this. So wait, what do we do now?
Great. We're doing great.
Great. Your boobs are too big, I can't read. Add boiling water to gelatin mix. Stir for 2 minutes. I need a spoon. Don't ever get this tall. It's not as fun as most things.
Ow!
Oh, are you okay?
I'm fine. I did it myself.
Okay, you're boiling.
My ear's boiling?
No. I hope not.
What am I touching? I don't even know what I'm touching
my
back here.
stomach.
Okay. Well, this.
Ah, shit. Now I need another one. Because I'm not bending over. Yeah.
over the...
Yeah. Oh my god, my boobs are in it.
Ow. Ow, you're hot. Ow, it's so hot.
Are you sure you're supposed to stir it in there? Or are you supposed to take it out?
You're supposed to mix it until it...
I don't know. I haven't made Jello in forever.
Until it dissolves.
Until dissolved. Yeah, look at her.
Is it supposed to be on the boiling?
It can be, it doesn't really
We're
matter.
burning everything. Stir faster! Jeez.
Okay.
No, don't stir faster. Stir slow. The water's already coming up. Bailey!
Stir and...
There's a spoon.
Shit.
Stir what?
In cold water.
We better get that cold water.
Okay.
We better move that stool.
We didn't get the cold water. Shit.
No, what do you mean?
It says stir in cold water.
That hair doesn't even smell good. It needs to be washed. Oh, yeah. Hi. You know,
You can put it in the bowl.
I don't know. Do we? Oh, yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put the pan in the fridge.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Okay. This is going to get messy.
put it, do it. Oh, man.
Poor Tara.
Oh, man, I'm not water. It's scary as fuck.
I got you. Okay. Put this away from us. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay, let's go slow.
I'm going.
This is not fun.
I'm trying to run. You're like, eep. Slow.
Uh,
This fridge is disgusting.
uh,
Oh!
okay.
You should do the
We're
football.
done.
Do the football thing.